up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I'm back. I told you I am on a 21-day challenge health improvement journey. So I joined HB Naturals. They have organic products. I like Superfoods. So right now I'm making a smoothie with my vitamins that I love so much. Check it out. Making my green smoothie. Okay, let me turn this off. And as you can see, I use a lot of organic products just in general. These are some products I use, and I love my smoothies. And then I added a little bit of this vitamin mineral green in there as well. So we've got our smoothie going. So if you're looking to improve your health, I mean, who's not? Whether it's you have low energy, any other challenges you may have, these are some great products you want to check out. I'm gonna put the link below. Check out these products. Great products. Again, everything is organic, as you can see on the back. Mind, body, and soul. Okay, so your health is your wealth, guys. Okay, I know we talk about a lot of I do affiliate marketing, and we're talking a lot about how to make money online. Okay, but you got to get your health right first. Okay, so health is incorporated in that. All that goes hand in hand. All right, so check out that link below for HB Naturals. Okay, some great products. Just try the products. That's what I am doing, and I am loving it. I got a few more on the way, but just wanted to show you guys that I'm serious about this journey. All right, guys, till next time, I'll see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.